Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video it's time for a new Famicom clone system. This one is the D31. I must say, I really love these clone systems. And there's always the question, what are we going to get? Is it crappy stuff? Is it a little bit decent? Or what? Of course, what is the signal output? Alright, this one, I must say, a unique casing. I personally don't know the casing. The box feels quite heavy. But I'm guessing this one doesn't come with a game card or something like that. Alright, let's open it up. This one comes with a game. Nice. Alright, let's see. Okay, so they are still using this PlayStation Mini clone kind of a controller. But the funny thing is, this one got a new shape. This one got a little horn or something. How do you want to call this pointing thing? Got this extra grip. I don't know, it doesn't. Yeah, indeed. Oh, the controller feels very nice. Very stiff D-pad. Select start. Not bad, no shoulder bar. I always wanted to do this. So used to PlayStation controllers. Right, this feels pretty good. Right, so we're having a video game. Oh, nice. Very curious what's on this thing. I've never seen this one. Oh yeah, we have a crappy power supply. Second controller. Go out. This one feels quite heavy. That's new. 9 volts, 250 milliamps. So it's a very light power supply. It comes with this very clicky feeling controller. Not going to use it, by the way, because I don't have a CRT television. Alright, EV out cable and the system itself. Come on. Wow, this thing is very big and clunky. Wow. Okay, it's still very light. Wow. Is this button even working? Yeah, I hear clicking sound, but the cartridge slot. Hey, it is new. At the side we're finding both connection, joystick 1, joystick or PlayStation controller 1, PlayStation controller 2. This is what I want to say at first. Some information that the system. Take a look at the back. Hey, this one also has 2 signal outputs or outputs for, I want to say stereo sound, but let's put it as stereo sound. And we're having video output DC in. It's never been opened up, as you can see. And chemical plastic. Alright people, let's hook it up. Let's see if it has built-in games or do you need this cartridge. Alright, this is very unique. Look, piece of toilet paper deluxe. And I've really no clue what it says here, but it's just thinking an explanation how you can connect it. Alright, then I realized my screen is really filthy, but nevertheless. Alright, let's power it on. Let's see what happens. White screen, in other words, there is no built-in games. Alright, we need a cartridge. Alright, so it comes with an 11-in-1. Superfight Highway Racing. No, not the multi-card. Okay, Superfight. What is Superfight? Wow, the screen quality is pretty poor. Okay, let's go. Why does this look familiar? Oh my god, they just ripped off Contra. Oh yeah, come on. And the controller is pretty damn responsive. They got a very nice grip. To be honest, they play way better than the original sometimes. Because of the design. Oh yeah. Even though it's not official Contra, I really enjoy this. Pretty cool. Very challenging. No. Just go down, man. Yeah, basically he's already laying, alright. No! I needed the UFO for the power up. Highway racing. Oh. Just more like in Zippy Race. Oh yeah, it has exactly the same sound. I'm having fuel here. Oh, that sound. No, 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 no. The purple one are the big. Okay. That was nasty. What do they? Oh, that is the fuel. Oh yeah, Wicked. Way to go. 200 kilometers per hour. No. No. Not falling for that one. Not falling for that one. So, I must say this is the first multi-card I got with a system or... Ooh. And this one contains really fun games. Fuel, we got fuel. How long does this stage go on? Oh, this is nasty. Okay, that looked very, very weird. Yeah, I know. I don't have fuel. Oh, it's more like this puzzle game that you making this complete picture. Okay, that's weird. Huh. Okay, I'm getting the point of it. So what I don't get is that you need to close the enemies. They are killing your boss. Ah, nasty. But the weird thing is that... Alright, so for the final conclusion about this D31. What I've noticed with these systems, there are very big differences. Oh, realizing by the way that the reset button is over here. I really like this. But the power button is very poor quality. So I need to press it sometimes more to get it on. The card itself, I like it. Homebrew Games 11, very unique card, so that is very cool. This one goes into my personal collection. The controller, to be honest, I like it. It's it's pretty sturdy, you cannot break it. The button's got a very nice response, very nice touch to it, so personally I really like it. The console itself, yeah, it's of course old school with AV out. But nevertheless, I like what I'm seeing here. I really like this model itself. Not the best signal output out there, but this is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell, because you get notified for upcoming new videos. Don't miss it out. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel for more awesome Wicked retro gameplay. Bye bye.